Did you know someone can watch everything you type in real time without you noticing? Let me show you how easy it is to spy on your own keyboard, just using Python. We trust our computers. We open browsers, type passwords, and chat freely. But what if a simple script can turn your keyboard into a spy? In this video, I'll walk you through how I built a local keylogger, one that tracks what you type, when you typed it, and even which app you were using. It's for awareness. And it's scary simple, so I decided to build my own ethical keylogger. Something simple, local, and visual. Here's how I broke it down. First, I used Python with a library called pinput to capture keystrokes. Then, I added a way to get the current active window title using pygetWindow. That way, I know which app is being used while the keys are pressed. Finally, I wrapped everything inside a modern GUI using CustomTkinter. Let me show you how it works step by step. Now for the fun part. Let's run the keylogger, type a few things, and see what happens in real time. You can see here that as I type in different apps, whether it's Chrome or Notepad, the logger captures every key, timestamp, and app name. Once I stop logging, I can also save the entire session into a file, all locally. This project is simple, but the idea behind it is powerful. If a few lines of Python can log everything, imagine what real malware can do. I made this for educational and awareness purposes only. Because the more we understand these threats, the better we can protect ourselves. If you found this helpful or eye-opening, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, would you build your own version? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more security-based projects.